Welcome to the lecture series of Maths Genius, and today we will be discussing a very important topic, that is expected essay for the 2020-21 CSS exams. Yes, what can be the expected topic? Yes, we have a lot of debate going on the recent coronavirus. So how this topic can be formed for the exams, and to facilitate the students, what I have done, I have just formulated the topic and how we will be approaching this. Okay, the topic is analyze the effects of pandemics such as coronavirus and the effectiveness of methods of curbing it. So this is the topic which I think that this will be tested in the exams, and how you guys will be approaching it. You guys must start preparing it in this quarantine as well, because this is a topic which requires a lot of information. It's not just like another topic like democracy, like good governance. It caters everything. It covers each and everything. Okay, so the first paragraph I am just showing it to you because I have completely written this part, and I think so, my book is being prepared and it will be published over there as well. So the first paragraph is here, and it will really help you in deciphering, in setting up that how you will be approaching this. Pandemics have always caused havoc and distress across the nations. This coronavirus is not an exception, and it has greatly disrupted the supply chain of the entire globe. The initial outbreak of the coronavirus was in December 2019, but after much controversy from WHO and China about its origin and its nature, it was allowed to spread in more than 180 countries after being finally declared a pandemic in February. From air travel restrictions to lockdowns in the Hubei province of China, where the virus erupted from the Wuhan, the world has been put to a halt as the virus widespread. However, according to the reported claims, as China recovered from the decrease in the number of patients, the number of patients increased exponentially across the world, with more countries imposing lockdowns across cities. Even the countries such as US showed a whooping increase in the number of coronavirus patients, with nearly an increase of more than 25,000 patients in a single day. There are far greater implications of the pandemic, and without a cure, a vaccine, it is rapidly galloping across the globe without any discrimination. Outline. The outline of the essay is like, first of all, we will be having an introduction. Introduction will be followed with the economic impact, because the major is the economic impact and we cannot separate economics from anything. Okay. Mainly, whenever there comes a crisis, economics is always there. Okay, first of all, in the economic impact, what I have discussed, we have discussed what's the impact overall across the world. It's 1% decrease in the overall returns in 2020. Then the stock markets, they have plunged down. Then they have, what is the impact on the Pakistan economy, what is the impact on the US economy. Unemployment rates have risen, the unemployment claims have doubled. Then the third paragraph will be dealing with the oil price war between Saudi Arabia and Russia. Then this will be followed with the impact, with the social impact, right? We have news of spikes, social and psychological impact. We have news of spikes in divorce rates in both China and other rest of the world. Then we have the reports of Europol as well. Then it shows that there has been a large increase in the digital and the other frauds. This has been followed with what has been done. The only thing that has been done up till now, it's like self-isolation and lockdowns and etc. And why nations failed, and why economists and all the experts failed in curbing it. Why is that? Because we never thought about this thing being happened, because whatever the concept of rationality is different for the individuals and for as a collective group, and that's why I will be debating on the negation of the concept of Adam Smith, that is of self-interest. Furthermore, at the end we will be talking about what is fundamental uncertainty in these kind of conditions and how it has impacted this pandemic. A positive sign, that's on in the environment, it's a positive sign. You must have heard about the ozone layer hole that has been repairing. And finally, the conclusion. I hope that you guys must have prepared this. If you need any other questions, I am available.